Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this diamond arrow bracelet. Okay, so you're going to need 4 colors. I'm using black, white, pink, and gray. You're going to need scissors to cut the strings, and you're going to need tape to secure the bracelet while you're making it. So you're going to want to cut 4 black strings, 4 white strings, 2 pink strings, and 2 gray strings. And they're gonna have to be a little bit more than your wingspan. Alright, once you're done cutting your strings, you're gonna wanna fold them in half so the 2 tips meet together and you see a loop. So now you can start the bracelet however you like. I'm going to make a teardrop loop. I'm done making my loop, so now your bracelet should look like this. So first should be the black string, then a white string, a pink string, another black string, another white string, and a gray string. And that's going to be the same thing for this side. A black string, a white string, pink string, another black, another white, and a gray. Now that we know what order the strings should be, we are going to now start making the bracelet. So first thing you're going to want to do is make 5 backward knots on the right side to make the first half of a chevron. Once you've made that first half, now you're going to do the second half of the chevron on the left side, but making forward knots this time. Now that you've done that, you can see that both black strings meet in the middle. So now you can do whatever type of knot you want to connect these two. Now when you're done with that, we are going to make a white chevron half. So you're going to start on the left side and you're going to make a forward knot with the white string all the way down to this black string. Now if we're going to make a chevron, we have to do the other side. So now you're going to take the white string on your right side and you're going to do backward knots until you reach the black last string. And now we connect the 2 strings in the middle with, again, whatever knot you want. Last time we're going to do this, so take your pink string and make a backward knot to make the first half of a chevron all the way down to this white string. With the pink string on the left side, you're going to make 5 forward knots to make the next half of pink chevron. Now we are going to go to the actual diamond part of the bracelet. So with your black string on the right side, you're going to want to make 3 backward knots. Once you're done with those 3 backward knots, you're going to make a backward forward knot onto the white string. We're going to put this black string off to the side and we're going to take the white string and make a backward knot onto the gray string, and then a backward forward knot onto this black string, and then again a forward knot onto the gray string. Now with this black string that we made this border with, you're going to make a forward knot onto the other black string, and you're going to make a forward backward knot onto this gray string. It should start looking something like this. Now with your pink string, you're going to make a forward knot onto the white string, and then a forward backward knot onto the black string. On the left side, we are going to do the same exact thing but opposite. So instead of making 3 backward knots, we are going to make 3 forward knots with the black string. Now you're going to make a forward backward knot onto this white string. Make a forward knot onto the gray string with your white string. And then make a forward backward knot onto the black string. And then again, another backward knot onto this gray string. With the black string we use to make this outline from later, you're going to use it to make 1 backward knot onto this black string, and then a backward forward knot on this gray string. Take the pink string from the middle, make a backward knot onto the white string, and then a backward forward knot onto the black string. To make the dot in the middle, you're going to make any type of knot you want. I'm going to make a forward knot with the white strings. On the left side with the pink string, you're going to make 1 forward knot onto the white string, and then you're going to make 1 backward knot onto the white string on your right side, and then you're going to connect the 2 in the middle with whatever knot you'd like. Put the white and gray string off to the side, and then with the black string, you're going to make 3 forward knots. On the right side, you're going to put the white and gray string off to the side, and you're going to take the black string and make 5 backward knots. Now you're going to connect the 2 black strings in the middle with whatever knot you'd like. And it should look something like this so far. With the white string on your left side, you're going to make 5 forward knots. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to your right side and you're going to make 5 backward knots. Connect the 2 white strings in the middle, again with whatever knot you like. Last step is to make 5 backward knots on your right side. And then on your left side, you're going to want to make 5 forward knots. Connect the 2 in the middle with whatever knot you'd like, and you're done. Now you just repeat these steps and you'll have your bracelet made. And there you go. That's how you make this diamond arrow bracelet. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.